O kaya, o kaya sa Instagram ng Space Station. Because stocks are available. There they are. How to order yung shirt po. Punta kayo sa, yung username is Area Space Station. Yes. Lower caps lahat. Punta kayo doon sa Instagram na yun. And then, dun sa bio, meron order form doon. You just have to fill that up. And then, send your payment. And then, we're gonna email you. Wow, where? Hi, Scar. Miss you so much. How are you? So excited to get mine. And you're gonna get it agad. Diyan, pupunta ba ako sa Fusion para makita kayo? Yes, punta ka sa Fusion. Yes! Yes! Tapos, ano, o kaya pwede din kayong pumunta sa broadcast channel ko. Kaso lang, minsan, medyo random doon. Pero nandun yung link din ng order form. I'm a size small in the US. Is that a large there? I'm thinking of ordering from here, but shipping it to from here. Okay, that's all right. I can have it shipped to Pangasinan. Size small ka sa US. Is that a large there? If you want to be exact with the sizes, meron naman size chart dun sa order form. Jao, OMG Angel, kumusta ka na? Long time no see. And yes! Punta ka sa sa Friday. Para makita na kita. Yay! Saan mag-order niya? Di na ako updated. Ito, I will type the username. Here's Space Station. Ayan. Tapos may order form sa bio. So, just check it out. Kalkalin nyo lang. Kalkal. Eme. New album when Pookie. So, yung new album namin sa ano niyan? Sa... Yan. Hi, Juju. Miss you too. See you sa October. See you guys. See you sa Fusion. A moment of silence. Well, what was your favorite part about hosting? Oh, I think I love hosting. I feel like it's a big help when it comes to developing your skills and presenting yourself, in maneuvering the ways when you're out there on the spotlight, because you have to be quick palagi. I mean, favorite part about hosting, ano siguro? Wala. Just being yourself on the stage. May new album ba kayo, Mom? Yes, may new album kami. Destino. Di ko alam if Viva Cafe or Coke Studio ako pupunta. Sa Viva Cafe na lang. Para solo mo kami. Ay, sorry. May pasok ba kami? Wala kayong pasok. Pero kung gusto nyo ng paalam, ito gagawan ko kayo ngayon. I-record nyo na lang. Hello po sa mga boss dyan. Please, ipag-early out nyo na ang employee nyo. Kasi kung hindi, maaano ako. I'm gonna... Joke lang. I'm gonna die. Hi Sue, how are you, Sue? spoiler. Sige, ito yung spoiler ko for the album. Yun lang. Yun yung spoiler ko, guys. So, kayo na bahala mag-isip. Mag-grad na ako this August, Joe. With Latin and Latina face. Oh, congratulations! Hi, Miss Bea. Good evening. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Gusto mo ba something? Wow, something! Alam mo ba, I was pure shock nung Viva Cafe. Bakit? Bakit ka na-shock sa Viva Cafe? May nangyari bang shocking? Was it scandalous? Live sell. Ay. What? Anong live sell sa Friday would you support? What? Paano kayo magla-live sell? OMG! Thank you so much. Anong ila-live sell nyo? Ito? Siyempre, isusupport ko kayo. Wala, your face card up close is yummy-licious. No. No. Papasa ba ako bukas? Siyempre, papasa ka. Mag-live selling kami ng Space Station. Wow! Aww. Your pink hair is fading. What's the next color? Pink pa rin. I just need to refresh it all the time. Sa stage, kayo magla-live selling ng Space Station? Oh my gosh. Oh, sige. Eh di, good! Sasamahan ko kayo sa stage kung ganun. Pupunta ako ng mas maaga. Can I teach you Japanese at a gig? Please teach me Japanese. Onegaishimasu. Ano kasi? I wanna benkyo Nihongo. Hala, for real ba? Oo, syempre! Yeah, I wanna learn Japanese na tuloy-tuloy. Ganun. Kaya, sige, turuan mo lang ako. Magpakilala ka sa akin. Ano name mo? Miri? Miri ba name mo? Okay. Kasi ang mga alam ko lang, kunwari, nasa Japan ka, tas, nakakalimutan ko na, nakakakalawang pag wala ka sa Japan. Pero pag nasa Japan ka, kasi parang, you need to know phrases. Kunwari mag-order. Sumimasen. Chumon wa ii desu ka? Tama ba yun? Tapos mag-order ako. Hitotsu, futatsu, mitsu. Tapos mag-order ako. Kore. Hitotsu. Onegaishimasu. Ganon, nag-order ako ng ganon. Ah! To what extent alam mo with Japanese? Ano lang, nakakaintindi lang ako. Tapos, I need to learn exactly how to formulate sentences. Ganun. Kung mga basic na words, Carry naman, pero the sentences, nag-take kami ng summer class ng second year. May classmate ako music. Lagi binabatugtog. Kaya, iba sa aming memories. Oh, thank you. これはとんかつですか? Okay. Hi, sis! I teach you gay Japanese. Oh my gosh! Oh, sige, teach me that. That's interesting. Pre-prep. Okay, sige, I will try that. Gay Japanese. That's interesting. Kasi naman, ang alam ko lang, since palagi ako nanonood ng anime, yun lang. Pero Japanese, yung mga Japanese sa anime is weird, diba? Hindi talaga yun yung ginagamit pang conversation in real life. Kaya, ayun. Thank you for being I stand because of you. Aw, thank you. Nanonood ka ba ng Jujutsu Kaisen? Hi. I love Jujutsu Kaisen. Japanese in anime isn't how you say it. Yeah, I see. Mapangheba Titans. I don't know. Oo. Any suggestion po na magandang sayawin sa alamat? Ang suggestion ko ay OMG! Ito, sa upcoming album namin, excited na akong makita nyo ang dance at masayaw nyo because it's so danceable. Pero for now, pwede naman kayo mag-day and night or kung anong gusto nyo. Madami naman dyan. Other than Jujutsu Kaisen, ano pinapanood mo? Actually, right now, I'm watching Mob Psycho. Although napanood ko na siya dati until season 2. Is na paranormal, mga alien, ganun. Kaya before this, pinapanood ko yung Dan. Kaya napunta ako sa Jawi Don't Spill. Ay! Okay, oo nga pala. Wag tayo mag-spill. Ayun. So, pinapanood ko ngayon, Mob Psycho. Pero I think napanood ko na halos lahat ng anime. Yung mga hidden gems lang, yung hindi ko pa napapanood. But I've watched a lot of them. So, can you release a how-to for your new dance from this? Of course. Okay, I'm gonna do that for you. Wait, I got you Jujutsu Kaisen merch from Japan. Wow! すごい。ありがとうございます。Tama ba ang grammar ko? May tanong ako sa'yo. Miri ba name mo? City Botime. May tanong ako sa'yo. If I say I really like Jujutsu Kaisen in Japanese, is it like Jujutsu Kaisen wa mecha suki? Tama ba yun? Or wrong grammar, you know? Oh, hi! Oh, Erika-san, konbanwa. Ga. Okay, got it. Okay. Gaski. Oh, I see. So it's Jujutsu Kaisen ga ski. Ah, okay, gets. Okay, I see. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much for the live Japanese lessons. New goal unlocked. Learn languages. Jozu. What is Jozu? Is Jozu you're welcome or anytime? Ganun. Kasi ang alam ko, doi tashimashite. Ja, what's your favorite flower? I'll bring you a bouquet. Aw, so sweet. Kahit ano, I'll appreciate anything. Any flower. Actually, yung sa Past Viva Cafe, may binigay sa akin flowers. So, naka-display lang siya dito sa shelf ko. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung Jaws. Ah, very good. Very good pala yan. Ta-da! Ayan, flowers. Thank you so much sa nagbigay sa akin ng flowers. Tapos binigay mo sa akin to, di ba? Ang bango nito. I love it so much. Kaya, I'm gonna put it here. Oh! Yan. Perfect. Jozu means good. Wow! Uy! Hi, Main! Hi, Main. Nagja-Japanese ka din pala, Main. Haponesa tayo sa live na to. Wow. Gano ka bango? Like 100 out of 10? Yes. I think. Amoy cherry siya. I'll give you the pink star Pokemon. Wow! Wow! Thank you. I'm gonna display it there if ever. Yes, you do display it. Hope you still have the pink Lego swords. OMG, yung pink Lego swords nasa Pampanga. Excited ka na ba sa MTQ? Ano MTQ? Nag-Japanese ako because of school. Pero what are the things displayed on your wall shelf? Okay, so I will show you my wall shelf. Here I have a collection of Labubus. Ayan. And then here I have this ramen in this magazine. And then this self-love affirmation. I am enough. I am worthy of love. I am lovable. Wow! Binili ko lang talaga yan dahil sa color niya. Pero and then this billboard. And then this thing. And then that artwork. Yes. Tapos magpapalagay pa ako ng wall shelf dito. Papalagay ko dyan ay ang Steel Ball Run. And then Stone Ocean. I love JoJo. Ang daming stuff sa home ko. May One Piece. Yan, One Piece. And then I have Kirby here. Steel Ball Run. Psycho. Psycho. The best. Psycho is the best, right? Yes! Well, I have a confession. Hindi ko pa nababasa ang Steel Ball Run. Pero yun yung next na babasahin ko. Ano lang, pinagawa ko lang yung poster kasi ang aesthetic nun. Pero I love JoJo. World tour naman, Joe. Sige. Do you want a Lego Kirby? Why not? Why not? Last Steel Ball Run is my favorite. Oh, nakaka-curious tuloy ako. Sige, I'm gonna try Steel Ball Run. Sana magka-ano na anime. Nasa red carpet ka ba kanina? Yes! Diyan, mag-vid kami ng Hiraya dance cover. OMG! Itag nyo kami para ma-repost ko. Thank you so much. May nakita akong PS5 controller. Anong games nilalaro mo? Ngayon, tinatapos ko yung Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. Since natapos ko na yung original game, natapos ko na din yung remake. So, nasa Rebirth na ako. Nasa last chapter na ako, actually. Tas pag nandito yung Alamat, minsan, or Serenade, nagte-Tekken kami. Tekken Battle. Meron din akong Hogwarts Legacy. Hi Mix, JV. Osusume. Octopath 2. Octopath Travelers. Sige, try ko nga yun. Sakto, mahilig ako sa mga RPG. JRPG, mahilig ako sa mga JRPG. Jao, have you watched Miyaruko-chan? Hindi pa. Jao, do you still play ukulele? No, I don't. Although I can always learn it again, pero I haven't been. Shout out kay Nicole Online from Catanduanes. Jao, have you watched Blue Lock anime? Yes, napanood ko na yun. Hi, Miss Nina. Kamukha mo si Park Jimin. Really? Thanks. Pero parang si Alas dapat. Sino ginagamit mo sa Tekken? Siyempre si Lily. Favorite characters sa Tekken. Lily. Hi. Okay, bye. To Philippines. Soon. We will go to the Philippines soon. We will update you when we're here. I just thought you might like it. Okay, perfect. Sige, I'm gonna check that out. Why Lily? Kasi ang pretty niya. Okay. I will say bye-bye. Jao, ba't ang tahimik mo nung Pride? Haha. Like, OMG! Ang tahimik ko nga nung Pride, no? Ganito kasi yan. Let's just say... Oh! Iba pala yung ano ko. I think, ano lang, difference ng humor, kaya nag-a-adjust pa. Ganon. Parang, figure out pa. Oh, how am I gonna banter with this? Ganon. Thank you so much, Jumbo Giniling. Ang introvert mo, tignan. Yeah. To be fair, I think I'm an ambivert. So there are days talaga na, okay, quiet mode, professional mode. And then there are days where I have a lot of bursts of energy. So, ayun. Okay, bye-bye. Magiliw ako since 2022 kahit nasa Japan ako. So, OMG, I'm excited to see you too. I will remember your name. Tibo time. Slush! Miri. Pag nag-meet tayo, sabi mo lang sa akin, ako si Miri. Ako si Tibo time. I'm lesbian. Ganon. And then I will remember.